Hello. Today's project got more involved than what we entailed. We had our septic tank pumped. I had no idea what this would all entail until it was actually done. So I'll tell you how we went from a $350 job to $750. So they came out and they had this rod and they poked down and they found out approximately where the cover to our septic tank was. That's this thing upside down. I can turn it upside right for you so you can see. You grab a hold of this and pull it out. It sits just like a cork in a bottle. So the minute they realized that they had to dig to get to the septic tank lid, the $350 literally went out the window. Behind their septic tank waste disposal was a trailer with a little Kubota on it. The minute the Kubota wheels hit the pavement, I was up to $750 because they had to drive down here with the machine and dig all this out to get to it. So rather than every 3 years have them come out and dig up my yard, we're going to put this lift on. We went to septictankwholesale.com and got the supplies. This is the ring which I've already installed on it. I just measured the diameter and got the right size for it. Adjustingly figured out how high I wanted to be. Again, the next time they do this, there won't be any digging. So all of this fits in to the seam. Let me back up, I'm getting ahead of myself. So this is a kit that you can buy from them. It comes with 2 tubes of the all-weather roof cement. I don't know if you can see that. And that seals, you can see it on my ring down there now, seals that ring into place. The rest of these rings, they sent a bag of 24 screws, and these go right into the side, and if you see I line it up, secure it. And it's a tight fit. This will be water sealed then. And then I just fill it backfill it. And all you'll see when I'm done is this lid. So now when they come out, I'll take out these 2 screws, all these screws, sorry.
You just put it on the ring.
Lift it off and drop their hose right in. They'll be ready to go. No digging, and brings us back to the $350 job. So,
can you put it on ring once just so we see what it looks like?
oh sure. Let's see. I'm gonna go this route first. They fit right inside each other, just like that. And then you can see where you line up the holes to run those screws in. I can put this whole thing together actually. It really is simple in that it sits into itself.
And you can buy the rings in different sizes?
You can buy the rings in different sizes. You can see here I've got a larger one. Your diameter is the key. And then just measure your height on how high you want it to come up. This is about flush with the ground. We'll have a little ground cover over it. Maybe put a planter on it or whatever, just to make it less obvious. And then of course your lid, which does have a seal in it. Yeah. So that will make sure that no water gets into that. So
the lid's stoned.
That's what it'll look like when I got it all assembled here, and then I'll just backfill. Our drainage pipe ran right over the top of this. Not conducive to trying to keep it dry, so as you can see, I kind of angled out and away from it here to get the water to flow out and around. When it rains here, it doesn't mess around. So that's my project for today. That's going to save us the hassle of having people come out and dig up our yard so they can empty out the septic tank.
So how much was the kit?
It's about, with all the pieces, it was 270 bucks. Mm-hmm. So $270 today will save you $300 tomorrow.
Oh, very good.
All right. Well, that's all for now. I'm going to get busy, and thank you for watching. If you have any comments, if you've used this before, or if you have used something else, leave us a comment below. Subscribe and like, and we'll catch you next time.